Well, what a fantastic sketch that was.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like that, Deb?
Oh, very, very much indeed, yes.
What was your favourite bit?
Oh, let me get this wasp. Oh my god.
Let me get that wasp out.
Okay.
Don't want any trouble from the wasp.
I liked all of it actually. The surprise of finding it, really.
It was a surprise when he pulled over for a sandwich and to make a cup of tea, facilitating ourselves of the National Trust car park. But the next thing, we found ourselves in that stately home. Oh, that was brilliant, that was, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, really.
Deer roaming free, swans swimming free, not caring, carefree. Carriages,
lots of things to see, actually.
and there's probably a lot more to see. So the next time we find ourselves in the Cotswolds, which is fairly regularly, we're going to jump in there and have another scoop of that, because that was brilliant. Yeah. So what we do now, we're on our way home. We're gone with the gadabouts, gone home.
Oh. Oh.
It's tough because we're going to drive past one of our favourite towns now, in-Marsh. We're going to drive through it or past it and carry on home.
Maybe just stay there, I think.
Never mind, there's always tomorrow. Tonight, boys and girls, it's my turn to cook. We've come to in-Marsh. We didn't make it home, so we thought we'd stand here instead. We're going to cook up the food, not of my country. We're going to cook up some Italian. We got Gino di Cadac out there.
He doesn't get on terribly well with Cadac. He's been told by the Cadac man that if you name it, you'll get on better with it. So hey, that's worth a look, isn't it?
So we've given it a name tonight. His name is Gino di Cadac, and we're getting it on. Look at these peppers here. There's your peppers. They're chopped. They might be finely chopped, or they might be not finely chopped, or they might be a mixture. So yeah, they're chopped. So we're taking a gnarly old onion, very average. There we are, they're chopped. So I've got a spring onion.
That's a large one. That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Oh, I'd like to get you on a slow boat to China. No, it's an onion, you fool. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have a scoop of that in there because that was left over. Let's get those bits. No, those bits. What should we do now? Yeah, get the gnarly bits off. Anyway. Once I've got these gnarly bits off, I'll get back to you. Let's have a look. There we go.
That's not a flipping onion, that's a leek, surely.
I don't know. You could make it into a lamp.
No.
Okay.
You don't get on well with this thing, do you? He's named it now, so maybe it'll...
Gino di Cadac.
Oh, right, I'll remind you of that. We have a fig tree there we bring with us everywhere we go. A little candle, some wine. I'm on water actually, for the moment. Listen to the birds, it's lovely, isn't it? Sitting under the trees. Ah.
We're going to grease up the pan now, kids. We'll have a scoop of olive oil because we're going in the pan. It's the main ingredient. Two scoops of that for me.
Oh God, do you want some oven gloves for that?
No. I'm a man.
Oh my God,
I'll
I
get
beg
back-
to differ on that one.
Back to you and I'll never play the piano again. See this choppage? That's going in now. There. Okay, we come with a good scoop of mixed herbs. Let's get some pepper flying around there as well. Nice. Hot. Okay, kid, this is going well. Oh, well, this is going. Nice. There we go then. Right, look at that. We had a small but very vital scoop of celery. That's going in there. Smoked bacon lardons. That's English for pancetta.
Mm. It's a bacon feast.
Do you know what?
What you doing now then? Show me what you got.
Some semi-dried tomatoes we had kicking round.
Oh gosh, they've been to Shepton Mallet and Lincoln.
These have been on tour. Because we didn't bring a tin of tomatoes with
No,
us.
we didn't bring tomato
Yeah, these
puree,
little
a
babies
tin of,
with
we
us
didn't bring a
instead.
fresh
They'll do.
tomato.
Pomodoro. No.
What we got now then? What we got now then?
This. A measured quality.
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 The wine's kicking in then.
Here's I lost the power of speech now. A measured quantity of black olives.
Oh, nice. They got stones in, so now he's got to go through each and every one of them and cut them open and take the stones out, which gives me 2 minutes to have a drink of my gin. Yes, winning. So now he has got to go through every one of these and pick out the stones because he chucked them all in.
Anybody fancy a fig?
Yeah. So that gives me 5 minutes to drink my gin. I'm winning, I think. It didn't take him terribly long time to do that.
All the stones are out of the olives. Right, here we go.
Let's come to investigate. So what we got next? Tell me they're not anchovies.
No. Because I don't like banging in the salt. We got some capers.
Oh yeah, they do the job. Oh God,
Yeah.
just throw them in, why don't you?
They're carefully measured.
Like his wine is carefully measured. Getting our sizzle on. A little bit of flame under there too.
I've got some rich and intense tomato and olive stir-through sauce.
Are we putting tuna in or not bothering?
Yeah. That's the crack.
That goes on the top. You
Do you like a paella?
You just kind of slowly warm that, not very warm.
So here we are then, kids. 2 tins of tuna later. We're banging in the pasta.
Mmm. Looks nice, doesn't it? What's next?
So, the pasta's gone in, the tuna's gone in. Look what we got now.
Broccoli.
A couple of bunches of broccoli.
Lovely.
we didn't bring the Parmesan cheese,
No.
but we've got some fairly strong Welsh cheddar,
Yeah, that'll do the
which we're
trick.
going to throw on there. Use that.
That'll cheese it up.
I can do this.
Is that me?
Okay, it's for you, Signora.
Well, what do you think?
Yeah. Like they say in Italy, bueno appetito.
Sounds good to me. Let's get
Buonita appetito.
stuck in.
Appetito.
Just shut up.
Okay. So here we are then, team. As it was, Gino di Cadac did us proud. It was a lovely pasta thing. What do you think of it, Deb?
Yeah, really nice.
Was that nice for you?
Very full now. Very, very full now.
So what's going on now? Bit of wine.
Yeah, just have a little drink, chill out.
Yeah, chilling out in the woods, in the Cotswolds.
Yeah, and a very noisy trees they are.
We got the black crows going on up there.
Right.
I just had a race with a rabbit up the road. Yeah, we're full of wildlife here.
Oh, yeah, this place is
Yeah.
full of rabbits.
So now it's wine o'clock, and let's just relax, man. See you on the next one.
Like that. Like that.
What time is it?
I haven't got a clue, I don't care.
Wine o'clock.
Oh yeah, it's that o'clock.